How to download BeReal app on your iPhone. If you want to use the BeReal app and wondering on how to download it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store, just like this. After opening the app, tap onto the search button at the bottom right here. Tap on it. Then tap onto the search bar and type BeReal just like this and search for it. And then here you can find the BeReal app just right here. Tap on it. Then tap onto the get button right here to download it. Now double click to install the app. Just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open the app, simply tap on to open right here. And you can also find the app on your home screen just right here. And that's it. This is how you can download the BeReal app on your iPhone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.